And what's good, beautiful people? You still tuned in to Nice Entertainment with your host with the most, Zany Bambino. And today I've got Motswako's first lady out here in PTA. Yeah, man, it's going crazy. It's going bananas.
Yes,
and we're here at Freedom Park. How is your energy out there, man?
Oh my God, absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Kare, how would they Pitori Matlangeng? They mean it, bro. Like, absolutely had a great time on stage. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, man. It's so good to see you back in the game. I mean, not to say I've
never left.
You've been, you know, away from the spotlight for a little bit. Tell us where you've been. Tell us what you're working on.
Yeah.
What can you expect? Any project ambitions?
Yeah.
Tell us what you up to.
Obviously, you know, after the record label, I opened my own record label, which is Mo Cooper Records. Now, you know, it's no longer about just, you know, making the music, just being behind the mic. Now it's more also being like in touch with like the business side of things, you know, like making sure that everything goes well. And currently I'm working on my album. I'm dropping my single October, featuring Emtee and Maraza, called Nyegeleni. I can't wait for people to hear it, but obviously the album is almost ready. I'm going to be dropping it soon as well, you know, with the likes of Mlindo, Maraza, Emtee, Tony Megwa, Murafi, Swift 1520. The list goes on. I hope people are waiting and excited for that one.
No, we are definitely waiting, and she's about to drop her third studio album, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
The first one was Take Me Back, if I'm not mistaken.
It was 20 Fifi.
Yeah,
then
20.
Take Me Back.
Then Take Me Back.
Now it's Chapters.
Chapters. Oh, okay. Looks like she's got a lot to tell us, man, in Chapters. Looking forward to hearing it. Make sure you go follow her at Fifi Cooper on all social media platforms. Am I right?
Sir.
Is it on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook? Fifi Cooper son, right?
Yes.
Fifi Cooper son, first lady of Motswako, baby. We out.
You know this.
Thank you so much.
Love you.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.